ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना भासमाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। ॐ तपस्वाध्यायनिरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदाम्बरं नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवम् कोन्वस्मिन् साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कश्च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञश्च कृतज्ञश्च सत्यवाक्यो दृढव्रतः चारित्र्येण च को युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु को हितः विद्वान् कः समर्थश्च कश्चैकप्रियदर्शनः आत्मवान् को जितक्रोधो दितिमान् को न सूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे एतदिच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं परं कौतूहलं हि मे महर्षे त्वं समर्थोऽसि ज्ञातुमेवं विधन्नरम् श्रुत्वा चैतत्रिलोकज्ञो वाल्मीकिर्नारदो वचः श्रूयतामिति चामन्त्र्य प्रहृष्टो वाक्यमब्रवीत् बहवो दुर्लभाश्चैव ये त्वया कीर्तिता गुणाः मुने वक्ष्याम्यहं बुद्ध्वा तैर्युक्तः श्रूयतान्नरः इक्ष्वाकुवंशप्रभवो रामो नाम जनैः श्रुतः नियतात्मा महावीर्यो द्युतिमान् धृतिमान् वशी बुद्धिमान् नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् चतुर्निबर्हणः विपुलांसो महाबाहुः कम्बुग्रीवो महाहनुः महोरस्को महेश्वासो गूढजत्रुररिन्दमः आजानुबाहुः सुशिराः सुललाटः सुविक्रमः समः समविभक्ताङ्गस्निग्धवर्णः प्रतापवान् पीनवक्षा विशालाक्षो लक्ष्मीवान् शुभलक्षणः धर्मज्ञः सत्यसन्धश्च प्रजानां च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः शुचिर्वश्यः समाधिमान् प्रजापतिसमश्रीमान् धातारिपुंसूदनः रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य परिरक्षिता रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेदवेदाङ्गतत्त्वज्ञो धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठितः सर्वशास्त्रार्थतत्त्वज्ञः स्मृतिमान् प्रतिभानवान् सर्वलोकप्रियः साधुरनि अदीनात्मा विचक्षणः सर्वदाभिगतः सद्भिः समुद्र इव सिन्धुभिः आर्यः सर्वसमश्चैव सदैव प्रियदर्शनः स च सर्वगुणोपेतः कौसल्यानन्दवर्धनः समुद्र इव गाम्भीर्ये धैर्येण हिमवानिव विष्णुना सदृशो वीर्ये सोमवत् प्रियदर्शनः कालाग्निसदृशः क्रोधे क्षमया पृथिवी समः धनदेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्म इवापरः तमेवं गुणसम्पन्नं रामं सत्यपराक्रमं ज्येष्ठं श्रेष्ठगुणैर्युक्तं प्रियं दशरथः सुतं प्रकृतीनां हितैर्युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यया यौवराज्येन संयोक्तुमैच्छत्प्रीत्या महीपतिः तस्याभिषेकसम्भारान् दृष्ट्वा भार्याथ कैकयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरमेन अयाचत विवासनं च रामस्य भरतस्य अभिषेचनं स सत्यवचनाद् राजा धर्मपाशेन संयुतः विवासयामास सुतं रामं दशरथः प्रियं स जगाम वनं वीरः प्रतिज्ञामनुपालयन् पितुर्वचननिर्देशात् कैकेय्याः प्रियकारणात् तं व्रजन्तं प्रियो भ्राता लक्ष्मणो न जगामः स्नेहाद् विनयसम्पन्नः सुमित्रानन्दवर्धनः भ्रातरं दयितो भ्रातुः सौभ्रात्रमनुदर्शयन् रामस्य दयिता भार्या नित्यं प्राणसमाहिता जनकस्य कुले जाता देवमायेव निर्मिता सर्वलक्षणसम्पन्ना नारीणाम् उत्तमावधूः सीताप्यनुगता रामं शिशिनं रोहिणी यथा पौरैरनुगतो दूरं पित्रा दशरथेन च शृङ्गिबेरपुरे सूतं गङ्गाकूले व्यसर्जयत् गुहमासाद्य धर्मात्मा निषादाधिपतिं प्रियम् गुहेन सहितो रामो लक्ष्मणेन च सीतया ते वनेन वनं गत्वा नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहूदकाः चित्रकूटमनुप्राप्य भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् रम्यमावसथं कृत्वा रममाणा वने त्रयः देवगन्धर्वसङ्काशाः तत्र ते न्यवसन् सुखम् चित्रकूटं गते रामे पुत्रशोकातुरस्तथा राजा दशरथः स्वर्गं जगाम विलपन् सुतम् मृते तु तस्मिन् भरतो मृते तु तस्मिन् भरतो वसिष्ठप्रमुखैर्द्विजैः नियुज्यमानो राज्याय नैच्छद्राज्यं महाबलः स जगामवनं वीरो रामपादप्रसादकः गत्वा तु सुमहात्मानं रामं सत्यपराक्रमम् अयाचद्भ्रातरं रामम् आर्यभावपुरस्मृतः त्वमेव राजा धर्मज्ञ इति रामं वचो ब्रवीत् रामोऽपि परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः न चैच्छत्पितुरादेशाद् राज्यं रामो महाबलः पादुके चास्य राज्याय न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः निवर्तयामास ततो भरतं भरताग्रजः स काममनवाप्यैव रामपादावुपस्पृशन् नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यं रामागमत्काङ्क्षया गते तु भरते श्रीमान् सत्यसन्धो जितेन्द्रियः रामस्तु पुनरालक्ष्य नागरस्य जनस्य च तत्रागमनमेकाग्रो दण्डकान् प्रविवेशः प्रविश्यतु महारण्यं रामो राजीवलोचनः विराधं राक्षसं हत्वा शरभङ्गं ददर्शः सुतीक्ष्णं चाप्यगस्त्यं अगस्त्यं च अगस्त्यभ्रातरं तथा अगस्त्यवचनाच्चैव जग्राह इन्द्रं शरासनं खड्गं च परमप्रीतस्तूणीताक्षयसायकौ वसतस्तस्य रामस्य वने वनचरैः सह ऋषयोऽभ्यागतन् ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् सर्वे वधायासुररक्षसां स तेषां प्रतिशुश्राव राक्षसानां तथा वने प्रतिज्ञातश्च रामेण वधः संयतिरक्षसां ऋषीणामग्निकल्पानां दण्डकारण्यवासिनां तेन तत्रैव वसता जनस्थाननिवासिनी विरूपिता शूर्पणखा राक्षसी कामरूपिणी ततः शूर्पणखा वाक्याद् उद्युक्तान् सर्वराक्षसान् खरं त्रिशिरसं चैव दूषणं चैव राक्षसम् निजघानरणे रामस्तेषां चैव पदानुगान् वने तस्मिन् निवसता जनस्थाननिवासिनां राक्षसां निहतान्यासन् सहस्राणि चतुर्दश ततो ज्ञातिवधं श्रुत्वा रावणः क्रोधमूर्च्छितः सहायं वरयामास मारीचन्नाम राक्षसम् वार्यमाणः सुबहुशो मारीचेन स रावणः न विरोधो बलवता क्षमो रावण तेन ते अनादृत्य तु तद्वाक्यं रावणः कालचोदितः जगामसः मारीचः तस्याश्रमपदं तदा तेन माया विना दूरम् अपवाह्य नृपात्मजौ जहार भार्यां रामस्य गृध्रं हत्वा जटायुषं गृध्रं च निहतं दृष्ट्वा हृतां श्रुत्वा च मैथिलीं राघवः शोकसन्तप्तो विललाप अकुलेन्द्रियः ततस्तेनैव शोकेन गृध्रं दग्ध्वा जटायुषं मार्गमाणो वने सीतां राक्षसं सन्ददर्शः विराधन्नामरूपेण विकृतं घोरदर्शनम् तं निहत्य महाबाहुः ददाह स्वर्गतश्च सः स चास्य कथयामास शबरीं धर्मचारिणीं श्रमणीं धर्मनिपुणाम् अभिगच्छेति राघवम् सोऽभ्यगच्छन् महातेजाः शबरीं शत्रुसूदनः शबर्या पूजितः सम्यक् रामो दशरथात्मजः पम्पातीरे हनुमता सङ्गतो वानरेणः हनुमद्वचनाच्चैव सुग्रीवेण समागतः एतत् पर्यन्तं पूर्वं दृष्टं how much time did I take? I took 10 minutes. Okay.
And this is super express Vande Bharat.
Okay.
Our goal someday is to look at this.
One day for me also. I fumbled in the middle. Here and there. I need to even perfect it further. Not enough. Okay. We'll continue from here. I hope you all were able to remember the story that has happened till now,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
now he has just met Hanuman. Now
Correct.
what is going to happen, we'll see. Let others also come. Like only two are there.
Who else is there?
Hmm. I'll put a message. Please join quickly. Class has started. Maybe it's because today is a festival. Tomorrow
No,
is definitely a festival. Tomorrow,
tomorrow is.
a Sankranti. Today for Telugu people, it's a festival. We do a festival
Oh,
one
okay.
day before
Okay.
also, one day after also. 3 day festival for us.
Yeah, it is 3 day. Even in Tamil Nadu, I suppose.
But yeah.
For
That's
many
all.
people, it's today only.
Oh, is it? Yeah, yeah. That's what. Even in the calendar also, it was given today only. But yeah, it changed last month. Okay, we'll continue from here. हनुमद्वचनाच्चैव सुग्रीवेण समागतः. Because of the words of Hanuman, सुग्रीवेण समागतः. Sugrivena Samagatah. By Sugriva, he was called, he went there. And then Sugrivaya cha tat sarvam. Sir? No, we will repeat afterwards. First we'll read the meanings and then afterwards we'll do Parayan. We'll read them properly. Sugrivaya cha tat sarvam Shamsad Ramo Mahabalaha. What is Shamsad? We'll have to see. 59. Not that fast enough. Yes. Are here.
Sat Ramo Mahabala.
Shamsad Ramo Mahabalaha. Mahabalaha Ramaha. Oh, it is continuing into the next shloka. We'll read the next shloka first verse as well. आदितस्तद्यथावृत्तम् सीतायाश्च विशेषतः सुग्रीवश्चापि तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा रामस्य वानरः. Okay, सुग्रीवाय च तत्सर्वं शंसद्रामो महाबलः. Aditaha from the Aditaha. Okay, Aditaha tatsarvam, everything yatha vrittam as that has happened. So Mahavalaha Ramaha Aditaha yat sarvam vrittam visheshataha Sitayaha cha, in particular about the Sita, what happened with Sita yatha as it happened. Sugrivaya to Sugriva Shamsat meaning in detail. Shamsad ityukte in general. Oh, okay. Sugrivaya cha tat sarvam Shamsadramo Mahabalaha Aditaha tat yathavrittam Sitayaha cha visheshataha. Rama told the story till now, whatever has happened, how he was sent out of the Rajya, how his brother and his wife followed him, and then who all the people that they have met, and then what happened recently when she was abducted. At this point, still he does not completely know who abducted. I think he knows Rav. He does not know where Sita is or who abducted her, who kidnapped her.
I think he knows to update. Because
He knows.
he met this Gidhraj, na?
Yes. Correct. Jatayu told, right? Yeah. No. Jatayu only told Sita was kidnapped. Jatayu does not know who Ravana is, maybe. I don't think.
Okay.
Because otherwise,
Generally,
if they already know,
say-
because Ravana is very, very famous. If Rama already knew that Ravana was the one who captured Sita, then there is no need to search. They would directly go to Lanka.
Yeah, that also true.
Right?
Uh,
So he did not
okay.
know. All he knew was, this Jatayu fought for Sita and Sita was abducted. So if you when Rama came back, if Sita was not found, we don't know what happened to Sita, right? It's not necessary that she should be abducted. She might be lost in the forest or something else also, right? From Jatayu only he knew that somebody came and kidnapped her. That much is known.
Yes.
I think that is what is happening. सुग्रीवाय च तत्सर्वं शंसत् रामो महाबलः आदितः तत् यथावृत्तम् as it happened यथावृत्तं सीतायाः च विशेषतः, especially what happened with Sita, all of this was told. And then what happened, okay, here right? You just need to come down. विशेषतः सुग्रीवश्चापि तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा रामस्य वानरः, रामस्य तत्सर्वं सुग्रीवः च अपि तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा, आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ इट, सुग्रीवः रामस्य वानरः सुग्रीवः तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा, आफ्टर हियरिंग टू व्हाट रामा हैड टू से, व्हाट डिड ही डू? सुग्रीवः च अपि तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा, सुग्रीवा nicely heard what Rama has to say. रामस्य तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा किं कृतवान्? चकार सख्यं रामेण, सख्यं रामेण चकार. He did friendship with Rama. प्रीतश्चैवाग्निसाक्षिकम्, प्रीतः सुग्रीवः इति मन्ये, शैव च एव अग्निसाक्षिकम्. They did a vow of friendship with Agni as their Sakshi. So friendship is also very important. You have to do it with vows of Agni. Just like in marriage, how they do it in front of Agni.
Correct.
सुग्रीवः अपि तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा चकार सख्यं रामेण, रामेण सख्यं चकार.
Chakara here means
Chakara means krutavan.
okay.
Chakara is the past tense of karoti.
Oh, past tense of karoti. Okay.
It's the past tense of kru. So it basically chakara is the way of saying that he did.
Okay.
Sakhyam ramena chakara. He did friendship with Rama. Okay. Agnisaksham eva cha, as the Agni has witnessed. Sakhyam chakara, friendship was made. Delightedly, Preetaha, with a lot of love. Sugriva befriended Rama, where the witness for that friendship is that flaming fire. For alone it is auspicious. And then what happened? Tato Vanara Rajena Vairanukathanam Prati Ramaya Veditam Sarvam Pranayad Pranayad Dukhitena cha. Pranayad Dukhitena cha. Dukhitena Pranayat. Pranayat ityukte kim? Dukhitena Vanara Rajena, by the hurted, or by the sad Vanara Raja Sugriva. Tataha, then what happened? Vaira Anukathanam Prati. Rama asked, what is happening to you? What is your story? And then towards that query, he told Anukathanam Prati, Vairi Anukathanam Prati, whatever his past is, Ramaya, to Rama, Sarvam Pranayat. Pranayat ityukte, in friendship, Avedanama, informed. Pranayat, what is Pranayat? Aham na jana what Pranayat is. Pranaya, breath of life. Pranayati means to teach or inform. Okay, I think that is what it is. Pranayat. He told Pranayat. So that is what happened. ततो वानरराजेन वैरानुकथनं प्रति वैरानुकथनं प्रति रामस्यावेदितं सर्वं रामस्य आवेदितं सर्वम् आवेदितं what is आवेदितं दुःखितः आवेदितं oh
Nivedana.
आवेदना means sadness, right? आवेदना means
कथनं प्रति आवेदितं सर्वं प्रणयात्.
Aveditam is not given in the translation, is it?
Yeah, it is not given.
Oh, that's the problem. Astu. रामाय आवेदितं सर्वं रामाय आवेदितं सर्वम् आवेदितं oh आवेदितं he told
Everything.
आवेदितं means to ask आवेदितं वेदना आवेदना attention आवेदना आवेदना
That's different, I think. Because Avedan is kind of request to something. Or like request only.
oh आवेदन निवेदन के
That is
जैसा
request.
intent
हाँ.
अच्छा
So I think this is different than that Avedan. Like some different route.
हाँ जी रिपोर्ट आवेदना application report so आवेदना notification okay आवेदितम okay, आवेदितम it comes from with dhatu only it comes from to know आवेदितम means to let others know I think आवेदितं सर्वं रामाय आवेदितं सर्वं प्रणयात् he told दुःखितेन by the sad who by who is sad आवेदितं वैरिकथनं okay this is how it is connecting आवेदितं दुःखिकर वैरिकथनं प्रणयात् केन वानरराजेन कीदृशेन वानरराजेन दुःखितेन वानरराजेन कस्य प्रति रामाय प्रति रामाय to all that everything that has happened vairikathanam aveditam vairikathanam pranayat he told that is what is being said so this is the sambhashana first Rama told what happened to him so it's a very interesting conversation I remember from my grandfather telling me all the stories where Hanuman goes to Rama he does the he because he is a kamarupi he can take up any form he likes he takes the form of a brahmana he goes to Rama and says you know who are you you look like because of the jata that you are wearing you look like sages but you have all these weapons in your hands you have bow arrow etc etc who are you why are you here and then Rama does not directly answer Hanuman's question he turns to Lakshmana and says look at this person he knows all Vedas just by his speech we are able to understand that he knows all Vyakarana he has such perfect speech and then he says first you tell me who you are you are a Vanara in this Brahmana Vesha. What are you doing? And then Hanuman bows down and says that I am sent by so and so. I am Sugriva's mantri, Vanaraja Sugriva. I am the mantri of Vanaraja Sugriva. I have come to inquire about you. Then Rama also says, I am here. I am the prince of Ayodhya, etc., etc. And then Hanuman only goes back, tells Sugriva that they cause no harm towards you. You should definitely meet them. You can use their help. They are also they also need help. You also need help. You both can cooperate and get something out of your friendship. And Hanuman is the reason for the friendship between Sugriva and Rama.
You know what like we listen like we got
बोलिए
to
जी.
listen is that first Hanumanji said like Ramji said about him. Then once Hanumanji was satisfied that they doesn't mean any harm, then he told about him and Sugriv.
हाँ जी, बस वही वही करेक्ट, वही हुआ था.
No, like you said slightly different. I really want to go through full Ramayana actually.
हाँ हाँ, पढ़ेंगे ना.
After feeling the differences, but there is actually difference, like what we know and what might have happened.
हाँ जी, there is definitely a difference. We will try to find a good source. We will try to find a good translation of the actual Ramayana. This is only for first sarga, I think. I don't know if it is there for the next sargas. We'll have to see. Only oh no. I think it's there. It's there.
I think
Yes,
full
they have
Ramayana
given
is
all the
there.
kandas. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh, this okay. I think these are the first.
You share. Okay, I think this link or some other link.
Yeah,
I
there is
have
one
had
more
to
link.
share.
Of
Yeah.
course, there is one more link. I think it's by. It's in Gita Super Set. Oh yeah, and then you can put Ramayana.
Yeah, I think this is
हाँ
it.
देखिए, not Narayana. 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 Okay.
I have. I have to open it.
Stay about website. Home. हाँ यस, वाल्मीकि रामायण इधर है, देखिए मिल गया हमको. यस, वी कैन फाइंड इट, नो प्रॉब्लम. ऐसे दिया है. We can follow this also. If it is better for you guys to, if this is better, then we can follow this also, no problem. I heard from a friend that this is better than the other
Okay.
side that we are following. Uh,
Better
but ultimately,
translation
because I
or
am the one who is trying to translate, it might take a little bit more time, but I think we will get a fuller idea of what is going on.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Oh, pranayat, out of friendship. Pranayat, aveditam
Aveditam.
was communicated. Aveditam
Communicated.
means was told, informed.
Mm.
Pranayat aveditam sarvam is what happens. Okay. So, okay. We'll continue. Pratignyat, and then what did Rama do? As soon as he heard the story of uh, uh, as soon as he heard the story of Sugriva, what did Rama do? Sugrivaschapi
Next.
tatsarvam etadabhavat.
Uh,
Chakara sakyam. They did friendship. Tato Vanararajena Vairanukathanam prati Ramaya Veditam Sarvam Pranayad Dukhitena cha Pratignatancha Ramena. Pratignatancha Ramena Valivadham prati. After hearing to the story of Sugriva, he decided that Sugriva was on the side of Dharma, while Vali was not on the side of Dharma, and because of that, I will do Vadha of Vali. He did Pratignya. Pratignatancha Ramena tada Vali Vadham prati. Valinascha balam tatra kathayamasa Vanaraha. And then, as soon as he did this Pratignya, then he started explaining, Ayayo Rama, why are you? Wait a minute. Vali is very, very powerful. If you are doing Dvandva Yuddha with him, he takes half of your power. Whatever power you have, he takes half of it. And hence, nobody can defeat him. He defeated a great Rakshasa called Dundubhi, etc. etc. He starts saying, Valinascha balam tatra kathayamasa vanaraha. Sugrivaha Shankitaschaasit Nityam Viryena Raghave. And then, moreover, they started questioning if Rama is really that powerful. Sugrivaha Shankitaha Asit. He was doubtful about what Shankitaha Asit. शङ्कितः आसीत् नित्यं वीर्येण राघवे. वीर्येण राघवे of Raghava वीर्येण. Just a second, let's see. नित्यं वीर्येण प्रवस् राघवे वीर्येण नित्यं शङ्कितः आसीत्. Oh, Sugriva was more, he was very doubtful of whether Rama was really that powerful. Although he is doing all these pratignyas, who knows if he goes actually into battle with Vali? What if Sugriva dies and Rama is not able to kill Vali? Right? So, Raghava pratyayartham, Raghavah pratyayartham tu Dundubhehe Kayam Uttamam. So, what did Raghava do in order to prove his prowess? Just for example, Pratyayartham Dundubhehe Kayam Uttamam. So, actually, Dundubhi was a huge Rakshasa that Vali had killed before. And that body has not moved. It's very, very heavy. Nobody is able to move it. So, what did Rama do? दर्शयामास सुग्रीवः दर्शयामास सुग्रीवः महापर्वतसन्निभं he showed Sugrivaha Darshayamasa. Oh, Raghav Pratyayartham. Oh, in order to show what kind of power. Okay, what is happening is Sugrivaha Shankitaha. He is always doubtful. Nityam Shankitaha Asit. And then he showed, called Rama, showed the power of Vali, showing that, look at this Kaya. This is the body of the Dundubi Rakshasa. You can see how it's like, Parvata Sannibham. It's Mahaparvata Sannibham. It is like a huge mountain. Darshayamasa. He showed. Sugrivaha Raghava Pratyayartham. What does that mean? Raghava Pratyayartham. Darshayamasa. Showed. Uttamam Kayam. Mahaparvata Sannibham. Dundubhehe Kayam. Raghava Pratyayartham, with a view to get convinced about Rama. Oh, in order to really check if Rama is powerful, he showed the Kaya of that Dundubhi. And then what did he say? Darshayamasa Sugrivo Mahaparvata Sannibham. Utsmayitva Mahabahuhu Prekshya Chasthi Mahabalaha Padangusthena Chikhepa Sampurnam Dashayojanam. So Rama, in order to show that he is really that powerful, he, after looking at that Rakshasa's body, Utsavitya, Utsmayitva Mahabalaha Mahabahuhu Ramaha Kim Krutavan Asthi, the skeleton, Rekshya, having looked at the skeleton, Utsmayitva means smiling at depth for a while. Utsmayitva, he looked at it and smiled, and then what did he do? Padangusthena, with the big toe of the foot. Pada Angusthena, with the great toe of the foot. Sampurnam, completely. Dashayojanam, Chikshepa. He, just with the big toe of his foot, he kicked that Dundubhi, which is like, the skeleton that is there, which is looking like a huge mountain. He kicked with the big toe of his foot and it went Dasha Yojanas. So one Yojana is approximately 12 kilometers as far as I remember. So Dasha Yojanas is like 120 kilometers. So he kicked with Bengaluru, it fell in Mysore.
Super fast.
So that is what Rama did. It's very wonderful. उत्स्मयित्वा महाबाहुः प्रेक्ष्य चास्ति महाबलः पादाङ्गुष्ठेन चिक्षेप सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनं चिक्षेप. He kicked the asthi, the skeleton of this Dundubhi, and it fell 10 yojanas far. Bibheda cha पुनः सालान् सप्तैकेन महेशुना महाइषुणा with the great arrows महाइषुणा गिरिं रसातलं चैव जनयन् प्रत्ययं तदा. So what did he do? Vibheda, he tore or break. What did he break? Tatha, then punascha, again, pratyayam, with confidence. Janayan ekena, creating ekena maheshuna, with one great bana. What did he do? Saptasalan, 7 palm trees. Girim, a mountain. Rasadalan chaiva, one of the, so there are many, there are many lokas above earth. There are, I think, in total there are 14 lokas. If you go up, it is Bhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha. And if you go down, it is Bhuloka. And then you have Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Rasatala, Patala. So these are all the 14 lokas that are there. So Rasatala is one of the lokas that is there. So Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Rasatala. Patala, it's just above Patala. So Rasatalan Chaiva Bibheda, he penetrated, he broke through 7 palm trees, a mountain, as well as the shaft also went into the Rasatala. To show his strength, Bibheda cha punas salan saptaikena maheshuna, sapta salan maha ishuna bibheda girim rasatalam chaiva janayan pratyayam tatha. With ease, pratyayam, let's see. Pratyaya means pratyaya, credential. What? Pratyaya, understanding, tribute. Pratyaya itna pratyaya. Solution, religious meditation, proof, ordeal, oath, intelligence, intellect, belief or firm conviction. With ease, basically, he fell 7 palm trees. His bana, it went through a mountain. Moreover, it also went into the Rasatala. So that is what happened. Then what happened? Tataha priyamanasten tatah priyamanastena vishvastas samahakapihi. Vishvastaha ityukte, he got Vishwasa that yes, Rama is actually strong. Vishwastaha Mahakapihi Kishkindham Rama Sahitaha Jagamacha Guham Tada. So he took Rama to Kishkindha. Tataha Priyamanastena Priyamanaha Tena, having satisfied, Priyamanaha Tena, being satisfied, Vishwastaha Saha Mahakapihi, he trusted Rama, Kishkindham, Rama Sahitaha Jagama, he took Rama to Kishkindha. Guham tada. They went into a guha. They went into a what is it? A cave. Okay, pleased with Rama's actions and convinced of his prowess, he thereafter with Rama left for Kishkindha, which was like a cave. Oh, the Kishkindha was like a cave. Interesting. Okay, maybe this is where we'll stop. Instead of going further, this should be good. Okay, we'll continue from here in the next one. I don't want to
Okay.
dump too much. So it will take 2-3 days to actually get used to these shlokas as well, right? So let's not go forward with reading the story. Of course, we know what is going to happen. And then Vali is killed, and after Vali is killed, Sugriva forms the search parties. One for north, one for south, one for east, one for west. They all go in 4 directions, start to search. Eventually, the Jambavan, Hanuman, etc., all of them reach the Samudra. And then that is when they meet the Jatayu's brother, whose name is what? What is the name of Jatayu's brother? Sampati. They meet Sampati. Sampati tells them that, he gets to know that his brother was killed. He is very, very saddened. And then he says, "What are you doing here?" They say that we are trying to search for Sita Devi. So he looks farther and farther. He sees that, yes, from here, from there only, from that uh, uh, from India only, he directly looks forward. He says, "Yes, I can see Lanka. In there, I can see the Ashokavana. In Ashokavana, I see Sita who is crying, who is surrounded by many, many Rakshasis, etc., etc." He tells. And now that Sita's location has been confirmed, uh, Hanuman eventually, this Lankana, goes there, uh, meets Sita. After meeting Sita, he shows that Anguli Mudra. He shows the ring, and after showing the ring, he also takes her Chudamani. After taking that, he kills a bunch of mantris of Ravana, also many, many other Rakshasas. And then he is eventually caught using the Brahmastra. When he is caught, he goes into the he is put forth in the court of Ravana. Ravana asks, "Who are you?" And then when Ravana asks, "Who are you?" he starts with the 4 shlokas. These are considered to be very, very powerful. And I of course I'll teach these to you as well. Hanuman says, uh, what does he say? Uh, hmm, I don't remember. Yeah, yo. Uh, what is it called? I don't remember. Okay, I try to remember. Ramo. Jayatyati balo Ramo. That's what he says. He when he is asked, "Who are you?" he does not answer with, "I am Hanuman." He says, "Jayati atibalo Ramaha, Lakshmanascha Mahabalaha, Raja Jayati Sugrivo Raghavena Abhipalitaha." And to that such Rama, who always wins, who always has Jayam on his side, uh, uh, जयत्यतिबलो रामो लक्ष्मणश्च महाबलः राजा जयति सुग्रीवो राघवेणाभिपालितः दासोऽहं कोसलेन्द्रस्य रामस्य अक्लिष्टकर्मणः. I am to such Rama a dasa. I killed so many of you. I am just a little dasa of Rama. Think about it. When Rama comes, what will be your situation? He says, Jayatyadi balo, and then जयत्यतिबलो रामो लक्ष्मणश्च महाबलः राजा जयति सुग्रीवो राघवेणापि भारतः दासोऽहं कौसलेन्द्रस्य रामस्याक्लिष्टकर्मणः हनुमान् शत्रुसैन्यानां निहन्ता मारुतात्मजः. My name is Hanuman. I am the son of Maruta of Vayudeva. शत्रुसैन्यानां निहन्ता मारुतात्मजः न रावणसहस्रं मे युद्धे प्रतिबलं भवेत्. He says, even 1,000 Ravanas cannot fight me in a yuddha. न रावणसहस्रं मे युद्धे प्रतिबलं भवेत् शिलाभिस्तु प्रहरतः पादपैश्च सहस्रशः. I won't even use any ayudhas. I'll throw boulders. शिलाभिस्तु प्रहरतः पादपैश्च and huge trees. पादपैश्च सहस्रशः. Not in once and once or tens. I'll throw thousands of them. I'll kill all of you. Ardayitva Purim Lankam, after destroying this Lanka Nagari, Abhivadya cha Maithilim, having seen Maithili, Sita Devi, Samruddharthaha, I have completed my mission of coming here. Gamishyami, I will go. He is right now tied in the court of Ravana and he is saying, Vishatam Sarva Rakshasam Aham Gamishyami. As you all Rakshasas are looking at me, I will destroy your city and go back, having completed the mission. This is what Hanuman says. We'll read them as well when that ghatta comes. But yeah. Let's quickly go through these shlokas and then we'll stop. Hanumatvachanachaiva
One sec. Here. 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Take
Take it. No problem.
Anumatvachana chaiva.
Okay. Sugrivena samagataha.
Sugrivena samagataha.
Sugrivaya cha tatsarvam.
Sugrivaya cha tatsarvam.
Shamsadramo mahabalaha.
Shamsadramo mahabalaha.
Aditastadyathavrittam. Aditastadyathavrittam.
Aditas yada.
Aditastadyatha.
Aditas tada.
Tadyatha.
Tad. Oh, tad yata. Okay.
Aditaha tadyatha.
Aditas tad yata vruttam.
Sitayascha visheshataha.
Sitayascha visheshataha.
Sugrivaschapi tatsarvam.
Sugrivaschapi tatsarvam.
Shrutva ramasya vanaraha.
Shrutva ramasya vanaraha.
Chakara sakhyam ramena.
Chakara sakyam ramena.
Pritaschaivaagnisakshina. Pritaschaivaagnisakshikam.
Pritaschaivaagnisakshikam.
Then tato vanararajena.
Tato vanararajena.
Vairanukathanam prati.
Vairanukathanam prati.
Ramaya veditam sarvam.
Ramaya veditam sarvam.
Pranayad dukkhitena cha.
Pranayad dukkhitena cha.
Pratignyatan cha ramena.
Pratignyatan cha ramena.
Tada valivadham prati.
Tada valivadham prati.
Valinascha balam tatra.
वालिनश्च बलं तत्र
कथयामास वानरः
कथयामास वानरः
सुग्रीवः शङ्कितश्चासीत्
सुग्रीवस् सुग्रीवश. This is not
सुग्रीव
sash. We have to say no.
सुग्रीवः शङ्कितश्चासीत्
Okay. Sugrivash Shankitash
शङ्कितश्चासीत्
Shankitash. Again, Shakara is it? Oh,
Out,
because
sir.
Sha is there. Shankitash.
शङ्कितः च शङ्कितश्च. So it's actually a sandhi. The visarga is converted into shakara.
Oh, okay. Shankitaha.
शङ्कितः च आसीत्. So actually it is सुग्रीवः शङ्कितः च आसीत् नित्यम्.
Sorry, could you please again
It's okay, sir.
explain this?
सुग्रीवः शङ्कितश्चासीत्.
Oh, Asit. Then Nityam. Right?
Yes, sir.
Asit. Okay. Sugrivash Shankitashi. Shankitash Asit. Sugrivash Shankitash Asit.
शङ्कितश्चासीत्.
Oh, Chasit.
Out, sir.
Okay.
1 minute. Like one doubt I have. It should be chasin, na? Matlab chasin.
It's actually asit. So because of sandhi, the takara has become nakara. So this is what you have. So today I don't have a mouse, so bear with me with the handwriting, but I'll try. So you have seat, and then oh no, come on, right. Asit, and then you have nakara and next nityam. Because of the na that is there immediately after the becomes n. Asin nityam. Asit nityam became asin nityam. Hopefully that is clear.
Okay, then we have to say Shankitash Chasit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the pronunciation we'll use the only.
जब हम break करते हैं संधि को, if we break the sandhi there, then we will get shankitash-chasit.
Okay, if we don't break, then we can say na.
Yes.
Okay. Sugrivash Shankitash Chasit.
Shankitash-chasit.
Sugrivash Shankitash Chasit.
Nityam Viryena Raghave.
Nityam Virhena Raghave.
Raghava Pratyavarthantu. Pratyayarthantu. Sorry. Raghava Pratyayarthantu.
Raghava Pratyayarthantu.
Dundubhe Kayamuttamam.
Dundubhe Kayamuttamam.
Dundubhe Kayam. Dundubhe. That I don't know how to say it. It should come from the throat, the visarga, because of
throat. Yesterday you said Ravanak.
Yes, exactly same.
Okay. Ravana Dundubhe
Kayamuttamam. Dundubhe
Kayamuttamam. Okay. Dundubhe Kayamuttamam.
It's not Dundubhek, sir. Dundubhek na. Dundubhe Kayam. Dundubhe Kayam.
Anuswara should not be pronounced.
There is no Anuswara. What Visarga is it? What we are saying?
Oh, sorry, Visarga. There is no Visarga should be pronounced.
Visarga is there. Visarga has become Ahka.
Dundubhek.
Dundubhek. Okay, it's okay, sir. Dundukehe kayamuttamam. Let it go. It's
Yeah,
all
we'll
right.
practice this
Ah,
afterwards.
Okay, sir. No problem. Dundukehe kayamuttamam.
दुन्दुभे कायमुत्तमम्
दर्शयामास सुग्रीवो सुग्रीवः.
दर्शया दर्शयामास सुग्रीवो
So, because we are breaking the sandhi, it is darshayamasa sugrivaha mahaparvata sannibham.
दर्शयामास सुग्रीवः महापर्वतसन्निभम्
उत्स्मयित्वा महाबाहुः
उत्स्मयित्वा महाभावुः
प्रेक्ष चास्थि महाबलः
प्रेक्ष चास्ति महाबलः
पदाङ्गुष्ठेन चिक्षेप
पदाङ्गुष्ठेन चिक्षेप
सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनम्
सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनम्
बिभेद.
Sir,
Ma'am?
I will wait. You can continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you were saying pada.
पादाङ्गुष्ठेन
Oh, sorry. Padangusthena. Did I say Padangushthena? Ayyo, sorry. It is Padangusthena Chikshepa
चिक्षेप
Sampurnam Dashayojanam.
योजनम्
Sorry.
पादाङ्गुष्ठेन चिक्षेप सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनम्
बिभेद च पुनः सालान्
बिभेद च पुनः सालान्
सप्तैकेन महेशुना
सप्तैकेन महेशुना
गिरिं रसातलं चैव
गिरिं रसातलं चैव
जनयन् प्रत्ययं तदा
जनयन् प्रत्ययं तदा
ततः प्रीतमनास्तेन
तथ प्रीतमनास्तेन
विश्वस्तः स महाकपिः
विश्वस्थ
विश्वस्तः स महाकपिः
विश्वस्थः महाकपिः
विश्वस्तः स महाकपिः
विश्वस्थः समहाकपिः
कपिः
कपिः विश्वस्तः समहाकपिः
किष्किन्धां रामसहितो or rather किष्किन्धां रामसहितः
किष्किन्धां रामसहितः
जगाम च गुहां तदा
जगाम च गुहां तदा.
So if others are free, we can continue. We'll do it once more so that it's easier when you're doing it on your own later. Is anybody else
I
ready?
can continue.
Yes, ma'am. आदितस्तद्यथा वृत्तम् आदितः तत् यथा वृत्तम्. There are 4 words. आदितः तत् यथा वृत्तम्. आदितस्तद्यथा वृत्तम्.
Okay, it is tad or tadhya.
It's actually tat. The t become the because of ya. Tadyatha. So instead of tadyatha, it became tadyatha. So again, it's again a sandhi.
Dha and ya, na?
The
Sandhi of
takara
dha, ya.
became dakara. Okay. So this takara, it is tat. The takara, the second takara became dakara. And then you have yatha vrittam.
Yeah. So tad. If we have to pronounce, we have to say tad.
Yes, tad. Here tad. If it is in the sandhi, then yes, it becomes tad.
Tad.
Hmm.
Tad.
Yes.
Okay. Adistad yatha vrittam.
Aditas tad yatha vrittam.
Aditas tad yatha vrittam.
सीतायाश्च विशेषतः
सीतायाश्च विशेषतः
विशेषतः विशेषतः
वि- विशेषतः
ये और भी पीछे रहेगा जी
विशेषतः
हाँ and then सुग्रीवश्चापि तत्सर्वम्
सुग्रीवश्चापि तत्सर्वम्
श्रुत्वा रामस्य वानरः
श्रुत्वा रामस्य वानरः
and then चकार सख्यं रामेण
चकार सख्यं रामेण
प्रीतश्चैवाग्निसाक्षिकम्
प्रीतश् प्रीतश्चैवाग्निसाक्षिकम्
बहुत बढ़िया ततो वानरराजेन
ततो वानरराजेन
वैरानुकथनं प्रति
वैरानुकथनं प्रति
वैरानुकथनं प्रति
वैरानुकथनं प्रति
रामायावेदितं सर्वम्
रामाय वेदितं सर्वम्
रामायावेदितं
रामाय वेदितं सर्वम्
प्रणयादुःखस्तेन च
प्रणया दुःखितेन च
प्रणयादुःखितेन च प्रणयादुःखितेन च इट्स एक्चुअली दुःख
प्रण
दुःख
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 दुःखिते
it's not dukkha dukkha dukh
दुःख
dukkitena cha
was I near
yes
दुःख
yes
okay प्रणया दुःखितेन च
तो है ना प्रणयाद दुःखितेन च प्रणयाद दुःखि तो दो दा है ना आधा
हाँ
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 तो थोड़ा स्ट्रेस करना पड़ेगा आपको
ओके प्रणया दुःखि ओके प्रणया दुःखितेन च
ठीक है अभी के लिए चलेगा प्रतिज्ञातं च रामेण
प्रतिज्ञानतं च रामेण
प्रतिज्ञातं
ज्ञा-
च
प्रतिज्ञानतं प्रतिज्ञानतं च रामेण नो
प्रतिज्ञातं च
अगेन
ज्ञानम् इति न ज्ञातम् you are saying jnanatam nakara na is not there
ओके
pratignatancha
ओके प्रतिज्ञातं च
ha ramena
प्रतिज्ञातं च रामेण
tada valivadham prati
तदा वालिवधं प्रति
then what happened valinascha balam tatra
वालिनश्च बलं तत्र
yat kathayamasa vanarah
कथयामास वानरः
kathayamasa
मास स कथयामास वानरः
सुग्रीवः शङ्कितश्चासीत्
सुग्रीवशङ्कतश्चासीत्
शङ्कितश्चासीत्
शङ्कितश्चासीत्
हाँ जी बहुत बढ़िया फिर से एक बार
सुग्रीवशङ्कितश्चासीत्
सुग्रीवः शङ्कितश्चासीत्
सुग्रीवश
हाँ बस
only
करेक्ट सुग्रीवः शङ्कितश्चासीत्
सुग्रीवशङ्कितश्चासीत्
नित्यं वीर्येण राघवे
नित्यं वीर्येण राघवे
राघव प्रत्ययार्थं तु
राघव प्रत्ययार्थं तु
तु प्रत्ययार्थं तु
तु हाँ,
हम्म,
राघव प्र राघव प्रत्य okay can you repeat
राघव प्रत्ययार्थं तु
राघव प्रत्यया राघव then
राघव
प्रत्ययार्थम
प्रत्ययार्थं तु
प्रत्ययार्थम प्रत्ययार्थम राघव प्रत्ययार्थम तु
दुन्दुभेः कायमुत्तमम्
दुन्दुभे कायमुत्तमम् that
कायमुत्तमम्
okay कायम् दुन्दुभे काय उत्तमम्
कायमुत्तमम्
उत्तमम् दुन्दुभे कायमुत्तमम्
हाँ जी दर्शयामास सुग्रीवः
दर्शयामास सुग्रीवः
महापर्वतसन्निभम्
महापर्वतसन्निभम्
उत्स्मयित्वा महाबाहुः उत्स्मयित्वा हाँ उत्स्मयित्वा महाबाहुः So sometimes, because whenever the ta is followed by sa, they have sometimes stress this part here. Utsma. You see the sound? Utsmayitva. Like it's not a sa. It's like it's slightly more stronger. Utsmayitva mahabahu. Utsma. Utsmayitva.
Okay. Utsam.
Utsma.
I will first. Okay. Utsama.
हाँ
Utsama.
बस
Utsama. Okay. Utsmaitva mahabahuhu.
प्रेक्ष्य चास्ति महाबलः
प्रेक्षया चास्ति महाबलः
चास्ति थकार
हाँ प्रेक्षया चास्ति थी महाबलः
पादांगुष्ठेन चिक्षेप
पादानुगुष्ठेन चिक्षेपः
पादांगुष्ठेन पादांगुष्ठेन
पादांगुष्ठेन
पादांगुष्ठेन
what am I doing wrong?
आप इसको थोड़ा ना की तरह प्रोनाउंस कर रही हो
ओके
मत कीजिए पादांगुष्ठेन पादांगुष्ठेन
पादांगुष्ठेन
चिक्षेप
पादांगुष्ठेन चिक्षेप
सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनम्
सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनम्
बट ओके बिभेद च पुनः सालान्
बिभेद च पुनः सालान्
सप्तैकेन महेषुणा
सप्तैकेन महेषुणा सप्तैकेन महेषुणा
नहीं आ रहा आपको महेषुणा
क्लास महेषुणा
हाँ आ गया ठीक है गिरिं रसातलं चैव
गिरिं रसातलं चैव
जनयन् प्रत्ययं तदा
जनयन् प्रत्ययं तदा
ततः प्रीतमनास्तेन
ततः प्रीतमनास्तेन
ततः ततः
ततः
प्रीतमनास्तेन
ततः प्रीतमनास्तेन
विश्वस्तः समहाकपिः
विश्वस्तः समहाकपिः
किष्किन्धां रामसहितः
किस् किष्किन्धां रामसहिता
तः
ओके किष्किन्धां रामसहितः
जगाम च गुहां तदा
जगाम च गुहां तदा
इति okay we'll stop here or who else is there Vishnuji भवतः पुनः न दत्तं क्षम्यताम्
क्षम्यताम् ओ चिन्ता मास्तु
श्वः
श्वः अहं पठामि
श्वः भवतु वा कक्षा मास्तु वा
श्वः
मकरसङ्क्रान्तिः इति कारणेन श्वः कक्षा भवतु वा मास्तु वा
मह्यं चिन्ता नास्ति अर्पणा भगिनी महेश जी
चिन्तामः वयं किञ्चित् चिन्तयित्वा
I'm okay to attend.
ओके सर विल सी कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतेः
प्रभावात्
प्रभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं स्वभावात् प्रकृतेः स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तुते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम सर्वं श्री परमेश्वरार्पणमस्तु
I think Arpana ji was saying something.